The White Experience is a luxury guided tour in the city center of Bologna with a dinner and cooking show in a historic villa. The White Tour begins with a walk in the historic center of Bologna. Why don't we try to find all 20 towers left in the city of over 100 from the Middle Ages? Bologna is also famous for its 40 kilometers of arcades, 25 miles of arcades called porticoes of different shapes, shelter when it rains and during hot summer days. We can have a coffee in the main square while admiring the Palazzo Curzio, the Fountain of Neptune and the Church of San Petronio, without missing a walk among the market stalls and the scents of fish, vegetable, cheeses and mortadella. At lunchtime, it's time to get lost in one of the most beautiful buildings in the historic center of Bologna, delighted by the frescoes on the ceilings and the sparkling chandeliers of the main hall. This wonderful building dates back to 1772 and belonged to a noble Bolognese family that was part of the Senate of the city, one of the highest offices in the town, together with a papal legate. The table is laid, the wine is cool, and we can start our cooking class or cooking show as you prefer. And if you're tired, you can rest on this comfortable sofa. This cozy environment is perfect to celebrate a special event, a birthday, an anniversary, a hen or bachelor party. At the end of the day, you will have certainly lived one of the most luxury events in your life, because luxury doesn't mean expensive, but simply unique, customized, private, and unforgettable.